Hello guys. Welcome back again to my channel. I hope you guys have been enjoying my tutorials. If you have, don't forget to click on the notification button, subscribe and like for more content like this.
haven't met you yet. What would I be doing now without even knowing the meaning of love? Where did you get lost? Express your feelings well. I can't put it into words, but with you we can understand each other. She has always been and always will be. All my love to you, my endless gratitude to you. To the stars that fall from my eyes, I promise I'll always be by your side. I'm 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 by your side. Chasing an endless dream, I took a step without stopping. I kept believing only in your smile. Before I knew she was in a place like this. News you can't see alone. What I can't have, oh let go. If it's with you, I find it. Let's keep searching forever. All my life to you, love. My endless gratitude to you, yeah. To the stars that fall from my eyes, I promise I'll always be by your side. I'll be by your side, by your side. I won't forget you today. No matter what kind of future awaits me, that love makes me more. I'll make you stronger. To you, love. My endless gratitude to you, yeah. To the stars that fall from my eyes, I promise I'll always be by your side. I'll be by your side, I'll be by your side. Whoa. I'll be by your side forever.
I get love when you sit. SAV what I rip. Feel I do it the best. If you come correct. I don't play by respect. Boss them on ice for my neck. Make them little babies wet. They be making the bed look a mess. Always run up a check. Money come no recession. And I'm always on deck. Got your boy feeling blessed. 100 M's, nothing less. Wish it I just don't accept. Girls relieving my stress. Know that I'm not like the rest. I had to sit in the crib and lock in so I can go cop everything that I wanted. Now when I pull up outside, I be pimping my ride on the way to this motherfucking money. Don't have to ask cause you know how I'm coming. Grinding the winter and shining the summer. Feeling like Travis, girl, meet me in London. And if you want, you can bring a few buddies. Girl, if you love me, then say that you love me. Anyone try you, I promise I'm bugging. Visions are showering you with these hundreds. Let the sun shine through the blinds while we fucking. Sorry, but I won't go back to the struggle.